For southeastern Weekly, northern Benton, northern Carroll, and Henry counties. At 7:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Paris Landing State Park, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and ping-pong ball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Paris, Mackenzie, Huntington, Paris Landing State Park, Dresden, Gleason, Atwood, Cottage Grove, Roughton, Vale, Springville, Treasavant, Bernier, Big Sandy, Henry, McLemoresville, Sandhill, Mansfield, Old Springville, and Como. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in Tennessee: Henry and Weakley. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8:15 p.m. for southeastern Weakley, southeastern Gibson, northern Benton, northern Carroll, and southern Henry counties. At 7:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Vale, or 8 miles southeast of Paris, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Paris, Milan, Mackenzie, Huntington, Camden, Brewston, Atwood, Roughton, Vale, Springville, Treasavant, Hollow Rock, Big Sandy, Henry, Gibson, McLemoresville, Mansfield, Cates, Old Springville, and Ledbetter. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in Tennessee: Henry and Weakley. The National Weather Service has issued tornado